Today I'll be demonstrating how to rebuild Genius Tools Quick Release Ratchet. The rebuild process is the same regardless of the drive size, whether it be 1/4 inch, 3/8, or 1/2 inch drive. Now the first step is to remove the two set screws on the back of the ratchet. You take off the rear cover plate, the washer, earpiece, and then here you have the two internal arms. If you notice on these arms, there's an R and an L on the top indicating which side they'll be positioned at. And you've also got the two tapered springs and the forward reverse lever. Now once you've got it apart, it's always a good idea to give it a quick wipe down, get any contaminants out of there. And you're also going to spray with grease for lubrication. Okay, now there's 3 parts total for the rebuild. Get the quick release gear piece right here. Rear cover plate, 2 set screws, selector switch, and the rivet. And here we've got 2 arms and the 2 tapered springs. First thing you're going to do is come in with the gear piece. Like that. And then you take these 2 arms. If you notice, like I said, there's an L on one and an R on the other. And obviously the L will be on the left hand side. And you want to have the L facing up. And you'll fit it right into this notch that's machined into the housing on the interior of the ratchet. Just like that. Come back and do the same thing on the right side with the R facing up. Just like that. Then come in here with the selector lever. Right up through the bottom. Once you've got that in there, the next step is going to be to come in with the 2 arms. Excuse me, the 2 tapered springs. And you're going to position them in between the arm and the housing of the ratchet. And you're going to want the larger side of the spring facing towards the outer wall of the ratchet. Just like that. And then to create room on the other side, you're going to need to switch this lever to the opposite position, like so. And that's going to give you room to get the spring on the other side. Once again, the larger side facing the outer wall of the ratchet. Like that. And once you're at this point, you're going to want to come back and get some more grease in there for lubrication. Then you'll come back with the cover plate. With the ratchet flip. And you'll come back with these 2 set screws on the back. And you want to get them started, but you don't want to over tighten them. Just get them snugged up for now. So. And then you'll come back and there's a hole here on the back end on the cover plate. And that's where this small rivet will come in. this, you want to delicately hammer this into place. Set. Just like that. Give the ratchet a test in both directions. It's working fine in both directions. Check the quick release. That's functioning properly. And the rebuild is complete.